Funeral insurance, also known as burial insurance or final expense insurance, is a specialized type of insurance policy that provides financial protection to the policyholder's family or beneficiaries by covering the costs associated with their funeral and burial expenses. This type of insurance aims to alleviate the financial burden on loved ones left behind after the policyholder's death, ensuring that their funeral arrangements are taken care of. The primary purpose of funeral insurance is to ease the financial strain on the family or loved ones during an already difficult time. Funeral expenses can be substantial, including costs for funeral services, caskets or urns, burial plots, headstones, transportation, and other related expenses. By having funeral insurance in place, the policyholder can ensure that their family is not burdened with these costs, allowing them to focus on grieving and healing. Funeral insurance policies typically offer coverage amounts ranging from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands of dollars. The specific coverage amount depends on the policyholder's preferences and the terms of the policy. The beneficiaries of the policy can use the funds to pay for funeral expenses as they see fit, providing them with the flexibility to make arrangements that align with their cultural or personal preferences. To maintain funeral insurance coverage, policyholders are required to pay regular premiums. These premiums can be paid monthly, quarterly, annually, or as a lump sum, depending on the policy terms. The premium amount is determined based on factors such as the policyholder's age, health condition, coverage amount, and the length of the policy. It is important for individuals considering funeral insurance to carefully review the premium structure and ensure that it fits within their budget. One of the advantages of funeral insurance is its accessibility. Funeral insurance policies are generally easier to qualify for compared to other types of life insurance. They often have simplified underwriting processes, which means they may not require a medical exam or extensive health questions. This makes funeral insurance accessible to individuals who may have difficulty obtaining traditional life insurance due to age or health concerns. When purchasing funeral insurance, policyholders designate one or more beneficiaries who will receive the insurance payout upon their death. Beneficiaries can be family members, friends, or anyone the policyholder chooses. It is crucial to keep the beneficiary designation up to date to ensure that the funds are distributed according to the policyholder's wishes. Furthermore, funeral insurance offers flexibility in terms of how the funds can be used. Unlike some other types of insurance, funeral insurance does not have restrictions on how the money should be spent. The beneficiaries can use the funds to cover funeral expenses, outstanding debts, or any other financial needs they may have. This flexibility allows the policyholder's loved ones to make decisions based on their specific circumstances and priorities. In conclusion, funeral insurance provides financial protection to the policyholder's family or beneficiaries by covering the costs associated with their funeral and burial expenses. It aims to alleviate the financial burden on loved ones during an already challenging time. Funeral insurance offers coverage amounts that can be tailored to individual preferences, and premiums can be paid in various ways. It is accessible to individuals who may have difficulty obtaining traditional life insurance and provides flexibility in how the funds can be used. Careful consideration of the terms and conditions of funeral insurance policies is essential to ensure that they meet specific needs and preferences. Consulting with an insurance professional can provide valuable guidance in making an informed decision about funeral insurance.